Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, with the Drain Plug Mafia channel, along with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton Beach. And we've got our guy in the Jeep here trying to back this trailer up, but we're getting a little bit of that Boynton wobble action. He's coming in at a funky angle again. That's not going to work. He's going to try and reset it up one more time. We're at least going the right direction this time. Got the turn in. Comes back around, but I think he made it a little too sharp. Yeah, he's going to run this one right down the dock. So we will go for attempt number 3. And our guy's backing it down. Let's see if he can get it this time. And no, we are still heading in the wrong direction. He's going to have to straighten this one back out. So here we go, attempt 4. Let me know in the comments below, how many attempts do you think this is going to take? Oh, way off again. And the other ones didn't look too bad. He was just off by a little bit, but they're way, I mean, he's sending this thing into the trees. They've got a good starting point right here. There you go. Take it slow and easy. And no, it's heading toward the dock again. Gonna reset again. We're on attempt 7 for those who are counting. And we're gonna pull out. Oh man. So this is going to go a lot more attempts than I thought. If I would have guessed when I said guess in the comments, I would have said like in that 8 to 10 range, and I think we're on attempt 8 or 9 right now. Man. And the wild parts, typically I'll see like people when they struggle this hard, they're starting from a bad starting point. They've got a great starting point. Maybe this is it. Let's see if this is the one. No, oh, no. We're going toward the dock again. They turned the wheel the wrong way. Gonna try and straighten it out, but it's too late. And man, they love pushing this back toward the dock. It's coming in, you're too close to the dock where you're going to have to re-straighten this one out. You can't fix that. And once again, they reset themselves to a great starting point. There you go. No, don't do it that way, bro. Oh, they started off in the right direction. Oh man, we're gonna have to walk over here and do this one, I think. The problem is they're so close. It's actually a long walk, and I've done this before at Boynton. I'll have to see if I can find the video. If so, I'll put it in the card up top, where I walked around and I actually went and docked, or excuse me, launched somebody's trailer so they could recover their jet ski. They might get it this time. Turn the wheel. You got to get that trailer turned. You're heading back into the dock again. And no, wheel wrong way. Last second, we're going again. Oh my gosh. I mean, we all have to learn somewhere, right? So I'm not going to knock them too hard, but man, it's brutal to watch. And now we're going the opposite direction. So we've been pushing this into the dock the whole time. They're tired of going that way. We're now pushing it into the trees in the other side of the ramp. And are they going to get it down? It's looking close. Turn the wheel, bro. Kind of get this straightened back out. They didn't turn the wheel fast enough. It's coming back toward the dock again. And pretty soon the Jeep's going to be in the trees. And hopefully they don't run this Jeep off the edge of the ramp on the side here. I don't think that's going to work, bro. So we've got somebody who stepped onto the trailer. Are they going to try and walk it up and see if they can load it from here? Maybe they'll pull it off. That Jeep's still in reverse, it looks like, though. That's a scary thought. Especially with the stern of the boat right against the dock. If they accidentally back up. There we go. They're going to smack the dock. So after a few minutes of attempts, they do have the boat on the trailer, it appears. So we're gonna try and pull this thing out. But this ramp's been tricky. It's got lots of potholes in it. I have no clue how they're sitting right now, and they're not gonna get a straight, clean pull out. So I'm curious to see if this goes smoothly or not. They're still trying to finish it off. I mean, it's not quite all the way up on the trailer, I guess. But it's just crazy. This crew's been down here for a long time now. We are probably about 20 plus minutes into this. And hopefully for you guys, it won't be 20 minutes. We'll shorten it up. But they look like they're ready to try and pull out. Oh, we slid backwards. And the Jeep's trying. But we're spinning tires.
You remember when the sharks ate everybody?
And I got a feeling this trailer's going to wind up in the trees by the time he gets this set. Are they going to back it up, or is he going to try and go from here? Try and give himself a little bit more of a running start.
You know the black man that was arm bite?
And, oh, man.
He always died first.
Kind of heard an axle pop. I don't think something broke, but they might be stuck in a hole. Gonna back up again. Here we go. Come on, guy. You got it. Give it some gas. And there we go. After 20 plus minutes, it looks like our crew finally has this done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. Also, my channel, Drainplug Mafia, where we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.